Hello everyone, it's me again, and today I want to show you all my succulent bed. So this is it. I was worried because a few days ago we have a rain 4 days in a row. I was worried that they're going to drown by all the water, but they are fine. Look at that. I planted some of them 2 weeks ago, and some of them 1 week ago, and some of them just few days ago. They're doing well. Look at that. This one has a lot of babies. My echeveria arboretis. And this one I planted them like 2 weeks ago. It doesn't grow much, this one. For me they are slow grower. This is Lola. This is my lipstick. Anacamceros. My what is this? Francisco Baldi, this one. I have the purple pearl here. My sedum. And this one is what the name of this? Lilacina. Gorgeous. My carasula. And this one I'm not sure what is this. I'm not sure. This one is doing so good. Look at the flower. And this, I bought this last year. Only just a little plant, and now they are growing. It's growing so good. My aloe. My carasula. This one I'm not sure what is that. And this is my suyon. Oh my god, I'm so proud of them. They're doing so well. And this is my kiwi. This is my Fred Ives. My kalanchoe. Look at that. Oh. This one, I don't know what the name. And here, look at that. My carasula, my jade plant. Oh, I love this. I don't know what the name of this. Another lipstick here. And this one is doing so well. It's so plumpy. So plumpy. And another aloe. And this one is my super balm. The one who got froze last time, like 1 week ago. I hope it's going to survive here. And this is all of my leaf propagation. I moved them here. I hope they're going to be fine. And this is my Aeonium nobilis. Look at that, how big is that? It used to be so beautiful, but because of the winter, the frost and everything. But I'm not worried, it's going to recover. And this one is my semper. Few type of semper vivum. Look at that.
Maman, tu peux photographier la rose, s'il to play?
Yes, my love. And this is just a few of my plants still in the pot. My imbricata. Today's there is sun. I don't know how long it's going to last, but for now there is sun.